Hey guys, welcome back to another banging video with the Smiths World TV. Alright guys, so today is Monday and me and Ricky and Isabel and one of her friends will be going on the road today. We're gonna do some little things on the road. We're gonna run some little errands. But I have my glasses to pick up, guys, so I'm going to pick up that. I can't wait to see it. Come from last week, but I just get the time to go and pick it up. Right, this one is finished with. Yeah, so I'm going to get a new glasses today. I'm gonna pick it up. Yes guys, so yeah, please remember, like, comment, share and subscribe to the Smiths World TV, people. Come on guys, watch up the video them guys, watch up the ads. All right people. Yeah, so we're going into Kingston too as well. We're going to buy some fish feeding. Yes, because you don't really sell a Clarendon like that. So we are going into Kingston to get some fish feed. And then I think we're going to the insurance place too. And what again, Bella? We're going to drop off, get some uniform make for Bella. Right. We're going to drop it off at Portmore at my mom, Isabel, grandmother. Yeah, so yeah man people, just stick and stay with us. Alright, comment in the comment section which part of the video you like and all of that. But yeah man, I can't wait to see my glasses guys. I can't wait. I wonder if it's gonna fit me. I choose a purple looking color. Yes, so let's see how that is going to look on me. And guys, as I said before, subscribe to the channel, share it up with a friend and your family and all of that good stuff. Yes, so Ricky, say hi to the vlog. We're doing a vlog.
Wagwan, morning, blessings. Yeah, we're good out here, man.
All right people, so stick and stay with us. All right. Alright guys, so we are in Jamaica now. Bella, yeah, Uncle Boba.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to the supermarket. We're going to the supermarket.
We're going to the supermarket now.
Yeah. So we're not going there, so?
Yeah, we'll go over that side there.
Alright, so we're going to buy one bag of tiga.
Yeah, buy one. Some year fresh. The strawberry.
$500.
$500 worth.
Alright. $1, go on. Alright, you carry this? Well, good here. Or that one here. That one here. Take up that. Alright. I'm gonna take up 2 more. Alright guys, so we're just in the supermarket. Yeah. Alright. Just come to get a few little snacks, guys. No, Isabel. It is something good. Alright, so pick up the pay attention. nice. Come. One. Walk up. Bella says she have video and a video nothing.
Bella, when you're not going to the supermarket, you're in that video?
Not that one.
So you in a video this right now?
Yes, I was, but may I say tell Bella for video.
So you don't put it on
She never have video.
Phone and start control the thing.
Right.
Alright guys, so I'm going to get a box of ice cream.
Discipline in everything, you know.
So we're in Maypen still, guys. Trying to do what we have to do out here before we go Kingston.
Oh, I know this still. Yeah, man. Good old Maypen.
And by training and control it. But play aggressive.
Guys, the piece of road about you see.
Yeah, man.
So
aggressive football.
When CC car, when they send for me, I'm go there. We make the top team in a one day. And
where you get to the
2 teams.
Yeah.
Show me.
Here go up now. Boss got move and the woman
never come get stuck.
Happy to see me. Some pretty girl, you know, God. Wow. I tell you, say, yo, we are all me done, you know.
Them time they are
This is an ice cream.
No, man.
Ball thing, them time they.
Sweet boy, no ball. Sweet boy, cha-cha boy.
Brown boy.
Sweet boy.
Sweet boy.
Yeah.
Girl say what?
Girl,
Sweet
look
boy, I
for
play football. Yeah.
Murder.
Morning. Alright. Morning, what flavor you have? Yeah, give me chart and then you know the bunny. Sorry, yeah. Thank you. Let's see. Chocolate chips. No pineapple swirl. So these are the flavor, guys. Choose one for me. Yeah, so you can subscribe, like it up and share it out, please. Yeah. Cashier. Thank you. Alright, thanks, yeah? So remember that you have to subscribe to, you know?
Look for me and say, yo.
Right.
Alright guys, so come from the ice cream place. Yeah. So we're going to get a piece of KFC. This is show on KFC.
Yeah. You want to taste up our mouth?
I don't play for swing the butt foot in our
mouth. So we're in KFC line, guys.
Yeah, me and Bubba around here talk about football.
Yes.
It's a great ball line back in the days, you know? Back in the days, Bubba roll the ball.
Yes.
Not just like even better than Neymar
Messi.
Mbappe. Knock with knock leather. Have fun and a war. And fun. That's we love it. Teamwork, man. Trust
Teamwork, man. Make your dream work, man.
No selfish business. That's what, you know?
I want to play a ball hungry.
No.
Play a ball with smile and laugh.
Laughter and love.
Yeah, right. And love, discipline too.
So you enjoy the game?
Honest, because anytime we no score a goal and boy can't give no goal. Alright. Sometimes we take a shot, boy think he score and no score. And we no want it.
Yeah.
And when we score a goal, sometimes boy say no score and I say, yo, you idiot man, you don't know nothing about game.
Right.
You know see what kind of shot like a while ago.
Right.
Yo, I'll put a line, man.
Yeah.
Take shot, man, and he score.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning.
We love the football game in our days with a justice with it.
Yeah, 2 spicy, 1
I don't
barbecue.
love nothing on teeth with it.
Huh?
We don't love sitting on a teeth.
3-piece meal, 2 spicy, yeah, 2 spicy, 1 barbecue.
2 spicy, 1 barbecue?
Yes, dear.
And tell Mr. Kennedy good morning
food, grape. No, that's it. Thanks. Thank you very much.
And tell Mr. Kennedy good morning. He's doing a good business.
149.
Rich like a rich.
Real rich. I am a real rich.
Yeah,
Mr. Kennedy, good morning, sir.
Anyway, in the afterlife, him pick me them, him laugh, and pick me them, and grant
That
and
is something
great.
that is very, very, very wise.
Of course. I left a legacy, bro. You left a
Kennedy.
legacy.
Years upon years,
Kennedy
legacy.
Fried Chicken. And
Yeah, man.
Kennedy Airport.
Man.
Remember, you have a Kennedy family.
Right.
Bella, you want to say something?
President.
Wealth
Remember
forever.
to
you know?
like, share, and
Having a name
subscribe.
like Kennedy. Very
You hear that, people? Remember to like, comment,
That is
share,
the name, you know, man.
and
The name-
subscribe.
the
But
name
me I
is a
tell you
brand.
guys, every time me carry Bella come Napin,
I feel left legacy already. man.
Bella have to get something. Look at that.
If we don't enjoy
Look at that
much, I get that
notebook.
much.
What you gonna write?
Our generation.
What you gonna write?
Next, I want to reach high school.
When you reach high school, so we make me buy Nova.
Because I want to reach high school that not go to there yet.
Really? It will be there.
No. The last time when you said that you wasn't there.
Really? Okay. Alright guys, so stick and stay with us.
Thank you. For listening.
Yeah.
Come give the girl.
Tell uncle.
Thank you.
The world come with the wife, your aunt, baby.
The wives run up front.
Come.
Uncle Boba what by your chicken.
It's a Uncle Baba thanks, Bella.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wait,
Come give
your
the
hand up
girl
the
wife,
wife.
your aunt, yeah? Come. When you finish, you give her one more, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, we don't know the tone yet. We're going to get this last. Shots on the go. So, no, go make the boy get some.
The mother
So,
looks
Mother looks
I'm fully fair.
we good, man.
it's gonna be yours.
We don't want to receive them fully back.
Right.
We are by girl.
We are by
Set you
round our
upside
bridges.
down.
No bad.
And
Them
not
get
pull it.
Well, you go follow me on TikTok.
Go get some green. You want some
We
turkey?
have to check you know.
You want some turkey?
Yeah, we need to start.
Sometimes you
Just
don't.
give me a boil of some beef. Yeah, Bubba.
Bob, which direction are we walking?
Yeah, we walk here, so.
Alright guys, so we're going to put the glasses. Yeah, we're at the Millennium Mall in Mineralize, guys. Chichi, it's you.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I don't know why I've been doing. Well, it gone.
That thing was a short one, you mentioned.
Or forward.
Yes, so in case.
The man said them carry a 3 barrel and everything. Throw back to the bastard.
You know. That's why I'm have to hang on for a while.
Bella, why are you pulling it?
I know I say, yo.
I'm not ready to pull it yet.
If me have a Lamborghini, if me have to have a pro back.
I'm not ready to pull it yet. I'm not ready to like here.
Yeah.
Go on.
If me have a Lamborghini in the garage, the pro backs are there front. And the Lamborghini are there back. Understand?
Alright guys, so here is the box. An unboxing. So come with this little case here. Case. And the cloth to wipe the frame. Oh, yeah, first remember we had glasses were so thin. Look at it. I saw me blind. I saw me blind. Well, on there. Yeah, have diamond on it. Look nice. Let's see if it fit me. Not bad. I like the color. Yeah, have a look. Shiny ears are diamonds. You like it, Bella? Yeah. Yeah. So this is my new look, guys. This is out. Served me a long time. Actually, guys, they're supposed to renew on these glasses from last year. I just get the chance to do it. Yeah, so yeah, this look nice. So this is my look, new look, guys. So welcome the new look and tell me if you love it. Yeah, I love it. I think I love it. Yeah. The only thing I don't like, guys, I like the thicker side here, like this one. Yeah. So this is my new look. Let me know if you love it. Comment in the comment section, guys. Yeah, so we're on our way to Kingston and Portmore. So stick and stay with us, people. Alright, so guys, look to update them. Stop Ricky and Bubble. Stop to get some lunch. Yeah, them gone buy a box, 2 boxes. Yep. So we just stay here. I wait on them people. Yeah, then we head into Kingston and then Portmore. Alright, Bella, come back. Oh, you come back. Close the door, good. Open it and close the back. So wait, are you ready for grade 2? Isabel? In bed or no? No, I'm not saying look like you have been little like you too. But you're tall, you're not short.
I feel tall. I feel short.
You feel short? Well, you're not short. So you will match up with the rest of the kids them. Okay?
Some of them taller than me.
Yeah, you're gonna have some tall, some short. All different sizes. Flat? Fat?
What do you mean flat? They're not a paper.
I know. Alright, you're gonna have some fat. You're gonna have some medium. You're gonna have some skinny ones.
Like me.
So which category you fall in now? Fat?
Skinny.
Skinny?
Put me under.
Or slim?
Skinny.
You're slim.
I look slim because put me little. Put me foot a little.
You're slim. You're just slim. Probably if you did that, eat more food.
Yeah.
You know that if you did eat more food,
But
you'd have probably
mommy,
fatter.
if when me did go home with fat,
Yeah, you're born. When you're born, you did fat. Yes, and love food. I mean, you know you don't love food now. Hmm?
because babe, they not even know what that you did.
You didn't love food, you know?
Me, they think are just sweetie, a whip of sweetie.
Really? You didn't love food. Even when me I eat, me I see a movie play and something, me I say, Izzy, come on, man, you love food, so. Hmm? You remember? You know, you can't remember that, but.
Remember when you did eat one chicken and me take it fry?
Yes, I'm telling you guys, this little girl here, when she about 9 months old or so. 9 months old, I don't remember guys, but may I tell you, she love food. If you eat, you have to probably give her to somebody because she done box out the plate out of me and you know that? I know she don't like food, people.
You know, so because of me things are lollipop, sweetie, popsicle, you did give me a chicken. Because I love chicken.
You love chicken still? Yes guys, so me and Bella here just having a little chat until the men's alright, until them come back. Alright people, so like up the video again guys, like it and share it up. Yeah, so we're gonna see what them get for them lunch when they come back. Alright guys, so stay tuned.
Check it out. Fried chicken and rice with beef gravy.
Alright. Oh, look for food. Look for food. That's our leg and thigh. And you have the shred cabbage and salad. Whether salad or tomato. Yeah, look nice. Yummy. Alright, so Bella want the tomato. Eat it. Take up your.
Alright?
Yep, we are.
No, for drink.
No, we have juice. Come, alright, you finished that? Yeah. So Baba was asking if we don't want nothing to drink, but guys, I always carry my cup with my juice. Well, most time, because time out now guys, so we have to drink a lot of water, plus love the juice.
And I have one pool. I have one pool and when me have me go in there sometime, but I have to wait till the sun go down.
Alright, you won't miss it though. Where's the rug? See rug there. Your juice in your buckle here?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm gonna try out the food here and see how it tastes. Bless the food. Yeah. Always bless the food, guys. Like the flavor.